Well, welcome, bakers. I have today with me Meagan Bozeman from Current 3D and Sugar Labs. And this is going to be fascinating and super interesting. Um, Meagan, before I reveal all the details of some of the things that we're going to talk about and how this came about. You've been in the industry for quite a while. So give us a little bit about your background and how you kind of evolved into Current 3D.
Sure. Thank you for inviting me to participate in this.
My
And
pleasure.
I'm very happy to talk to you today. So, my background is actually very technical. I come from the technical side, and my co founder and our CEO, Kyle Von Hasselen, uh, comes from more of the design side.
Hmm.
So, starting with where I came from, I have an engineering degree in mechanical engineering, and I've been in the 2D and 3D printing industry for 25 years.
Wow.
So I worked on color printers with Tektronix and then Xerox
Yeah.
for a couple of decades until I guess about almost 2 decades. Then I transitioned over to 3D systems and focused on 3D printing,
Hmm.
specifically what to do with new technology and how to take 3D printing into new spaces.
Hmm.
And so I was on the advanced development, the corporate development, the new business side of it when Kyle, his company was, which had, so he invented the technology when he was in graduate school, architectural
Wow.
school. He was using 3D printers to
Hmm.
print architectural models, and his thesis was based on 3D printing and
My
so on.
brother's an architect. He would love this.
Yeah, well, we have several architects who
Yeah.
work for our company. Our
Yeah.
designers are primarily architects.
Oh, fantastic.
So he thought, what would it look like to use sugar in this 3D printer? He was using the Z Core binder over powder. So he put sugar in there and was using that for his models, much more affordable. Um,
Wow.
then he had an occasion for his sister's birthday, and he couldn't bake her a cake. He was a grad student and didn't have an oven, but he thought, well, I can 3D print her a sugar cake topper. So that's where he first
Awesome.
applied
I,
this kind of into
I
the whole
love the innovation. I love the innovation.